And welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy you decided to click that thumbnail to watch this content. In this video, I will show you how I put together an Ikea Hillis metal shelf that I purchased for under $30 and transformed it into a beautiful piece of furniture that I am now using to showcase some fall decor in the corner of my family room.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
After removing the packaging, I began putting aside the 4 legs as I will later paint them.
Make it last, try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
I purchased some contact paper from Lowe's in a faux wood finish in order to cover each shelf.
That'll have what you need, what you need.
And here I'm just freestyling measurements. I'm so stubborn. I probably should have gotten a ruler out, but this was a quick DIY.
I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
I then began spray painting the 4 legs of the shelf in Rust-Oleum's Gloss Black. This took about 2 coats for each side, along with some manual touch-ups later. I then began assembling the shelves with my Ryobi electric screwdriver / drill, using the screws that were included. Because the screws were light, after installation, I ended up putting a dab of black paint over them so that they wouldn't stand out so much. After I assembled the shelf, I realized I did not like the metal showing underneath and I wanted it to paint it black. So I got some paint that I had on hand. It was a Krylon black outdoor paint, and I decided to paint underneath each one of the shelves. In hindsight, I realized I should have spray painted the shelves underneath before I put the contact paper over top. But lesson learned. And here's the shelf finished with fall decor in my family room. I think it turned out really well. I hope this video inspired you and also showed you how you can turn a basic piece of furniture into something that is aesthetically pleasing on a small budget with just some contact paper and some paint. Until the next video, thanks for watching.